Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end.
Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda Malpani, and to start with our first segment for Thursday, 12 February 2026, Nifty index opened positive but failed to hold above the psychological 26K marks and drifted slightly lower. It witnessed swings on either sides within a tight band for the rest of the day, but respected a support of 25,900. It formed a small-bodied bearish candle on the daily frame but has been making higher highs, higher lows from the last three sessions. India VIX was down by around 1% to 11.5 levels. Nifty put-call ratio decreased to 1.06. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 25,500 to 26,400, while immediate range could be in between 25,700 to 26,200. Moving on to the second segment in the equity cash market, FIIs were net buyers to the tune of 819 crores. While DIIs were sellers worth 442 crores. FII's index long-short ratio improved to 22%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest Nifty has to hold about 25,900 for the next up move towards 26,250, while support can be seen shifting higher to 25,750. Bank Nifty has to hold above 60,500 for the next up move towards 61,250 levels, while support can be seen at 60,250. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in Eicher Motor, Apollo Hospital, SBI, TVS Motor, Marico and Astral, while some weakness could be seen in TCS, Coforge, IRFC, Hoodco, HAL and Paytm. Wish you a super day ahead. Shivangi Sarda Malpani signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.